Hello, we love to fall in love, but we do not know how we fall in love. So today, I'll be discussing on the science of love and attraction. This is Doctors Without Stethoscope, and I'm your host, Chinedum Playful. Like I said, love and attraction. This is something that has been so mysterious over centuries. Now, today, I will be telling you how people fall in love with regards to our body changes. Now, there are three chemicals that are responsible for love and attraction. Are you ready? I bet you are. They are the dopamine, the serotonin, and the oxytocin. Now, let's talk about the dopamine. How does it affect love? When people fall in love, the dopamine triggers or stimulates the pleasure centers in the brain. And these pleasure centers give the same effects as someone who is on some recreational drugs like cocaine. The dopamine stimulates pleasure desires, sexual desires, and there is a reduced appetite or insomnia. Sometimes the individual becomes more motivated, more energetic to pursue a particular goal. This makes the individuals to be in some kind of in love state. Now, this dopamine is very important in our daily lives, in the maintenance of our mood. Sometimes there could be a depletion or a reduced surge in this dopamine, and there are certain things that we can take. I'm talking of diet. I'm not talking of cocaine. No, actually, I'm against drug use or drug abuse. I'm talking of diet here. There are certain diets that we can take to improve our level of dopamine. They are eggs, white meat like chicken, chocolates, and maybe some dietary products that could help. Now, let's talk about the number two. The second one is the serotonin. The serotonin, they are found in your intestines and in your blood plasma. Serotonin plays an important role in the maintenance of your mood, your sexual desires, your sleep, your memory, and your mood patterns. It actually helps. And sometimes it helps, especially it helps in digestion. And when there is depletion or there is reduced surge in your serotonin, it's also important to do some certain things. That is going out in the sun, because vitamin D is very important for serotonin level. So morning sunshine, it helps in vitamin D. Now, let's look at another important chemical that is responsible for love and attraction. That is the oxytocin. They say oxytocin is the bond chemical or the bond hormone. Some call it the love hormone. Now, the oxytocin is very vital in bonding of partners, especially also in mothers and babies. When a mother breastfeeds a young child, oxytocin is produced, and this helps in the bonding of the mother and the baby. Also, oxytocin is very important in the reduction of stress, reduction of blood pressure, and also in maintenance of good feelings and affection. When couples have sex, or when they kiss, hug, or have any form of contact, oxytocin is released, and this helps in the bonding of the relationship. That is why most times, couples tend to bond more after a sexual escapade than before. Couples, especially those who are in a relationship, long-term relationship, or those who seek to improve their relationship, are being advised to have more sex in order to improve bonding. Now, the question is, what happens when all these chemicals deplete, or when there is a reduction in the surge of these chemicals, what do? It's very, very important for a couple who want to stay together to keep the attraction going. And how do they do that? Kiss more, hug more. If your partner is much more interested in touch, some partners are interested in touching. That could help your partner to improve their love and attraction. This is Doctors Without Stethoscope. Please, 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 please don't fail to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Remember, there is more from where that came from.